How are you all? Today we will show you how to install extensions in Chrome from outside of the Chrome extension store or chrome.google.com. There are many extensions which are not available in Chrome store, but you can download these extensions from their websites. And when you buy extensions from Fiverr, then these extensions may not be uploaded on Chrome extension store. So to install these extensions, you will have to click on these three dots and then Now Tools and then Extensions, and then this page will be open, and then you will have to click on this developer mode, and you will see this task blue, little blue, and then you will have to drag the folder in which the extension is present into the Chrome. If you have downloaded a zip, then you will have to extract this zip by opening it and then clicking extract to and then OK button, and then the extension will be present here, and then you will have to drag the extension folder into here, and as you can see this extension is installed now. And if there is a folder within the folder which is with the same name, then you will have to drag the folder inside, not the outside folder. If you drag the outside folder, then it will show you an error stating that the manifest file could not found. And as you can see, manifest file is missing or unreadable. So you will have to drag the folder inside if there is a folder which is with the same name. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.